Do you need to test a condition? In this example, to test if the player is an adult, you use an if statement. The if statement allows you to execute code only when a certain condition is true. And if the test result isn't true, you use the else statement with the code for that result. And if what you want to test has more than two possibilities, you use an else if conditional statement to give more possibilities to the test. Notice that the logical AND symbol allows you to place two or more tests in the same if statement. The logical AND requires that both conditions be true for the if statement run the code inside. You can also test OR, where only one of the conditions has to be true, using the symbol logical OR, made up by two vertical bars. In testing operations, the logical AND always takes precedence over the logical OR. This means that in an expression where both operators are used, the parts with AND are evaluated before the parts with OR. It's similar to how, in mathematics, multiplications are performed before additions. Therefore, if you have an expression like A and B or C, A and B will be evaluated first, and only then the result of A and B will be compared with C using the operator OR. And to check if something is different, you use the not equal symbol, made up of an exclamation mark and an equal sign. Indeed, the exclamation mark in programming means not, so you can literally read the phrase as not equal. Note that else and else if never work in isolation. They are always associated with the previous if. What are the operators you can use in an if statement? Equal, not equal, not, greater, greater or equal, less, less or equal, and OR. There are others more advanced, but discover most of the needs. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep updated on the new content.